Hello again. So lately, I've been getting a lot of questions from some of our agency clients who run call centers for their clients, and these are mostly inbound support call centers, outbound reactivation call centers, and so on. And I wanted to create this video to explain to you how you can set up your own AI call center using VoiceAIWrapper and any voice provider of your choice. Before I get started, a quick request. I see a lot of views on our videos, but I would really appreciate if you would subscribe and like our videos. This helps me, encourages me to create more videos like this. And if you have any specific video that you would like to see, let me know. I'll be happy to create it. So let's head over to VoiceAIWrapper and show you how to create your voice AI call center. Okay, I'm inside my VoiceAIWrapper dashboard, and I'll breeze through a couple of steps, assuming that you've seen our previous videos. In case you have questions about specific features, how they work, if you are signed up on our free trial, there are live walkthroughs and interactive guides inside our system anyways, but if you want me to answer your questions, feel free to add it to the comments in the video. Okay, so quickly, before you start your voice AI call centers, you would want to connect voice API providers inside our app. After you've done that, you would want to connect your domain to white label this entire service under your brand. And before handing over access to your client portal, you would want to add your client, add users, user logins to the client, then allocate resources, the agents that you want to allocate to that client, the campaigns that you want to allocate to the client. You'd select that. And then the last step would be to associate a billing plan to your client. There are various ways to bill your clients. The first step is to, if you of course need to automate your billing, you just connect your Stripe keys, and then you can create a variety of products inside your product setup, right? And there are a lot of options in terms of the currency that you can choose, the billing frequency that you can choose, and so on and so forth. So we're going to talk about how to create an AI call center. So for that, I'll head over to one of our campaigns. Let's take an outbound call center campaign, for instance. Let's head over to our VAPI configuration for this case. So the first thing that I would do probably is add all my phone numbers. So we have a unique feature called number pool. This allows you to add like hundreds, even thousands of numbers to a pool. The idea is when you add multiple numbers to a pool, your campaign is going to use those numbers in a round robin fashion. Yeah. Now, once I've created my pool, I'll head over to campaigns, and I'll start creating a campaign. Yeah. So now, in terms of adding leads to your campaign, this can be fed via API. We have add lead, remove lead, update lead APIs as well, which means this can work and sync up with any third-party system out there. Once you've figured out how to add leads, you can move over to settings, and this is where you can select the number pool that you just created, and then add your assistant depending on what kind of a campaign it is, whether it's a inbound support or an outbound reactivation or a loyalty offer campaign, and then you select your campaign settings. Plus, you have an option to add a smart callback feature. This really impacts your campaigns. So when the agent makes a call, and let's say the recipient says, "Call me back in 5 minutes," this feature enables your AI agent to smartly and automatically call back the contact in 5 minutes or whatever time they go. Now, once you're done with all these settings, you would probably want to send your campaign data over to a third-party system. It can be your CRM system, it can be a Airtable, or let's say a GHL account. So all you need to do is create an inbound webhook inside your account, inside the account that you want to point the data to. Add the webhook here, and all your campaign stats are sent over to your CRM or third-party system without you requiring to maintain any additional middleware in between. Your call logs are going to show up here. So you'll see all the. I don't have calls here because this is a demo account, but your call logs, your recordings, transcripts is all available here. You can filter those. You can also download those stats. Plus, you also get detailed analytics on your campaign. And when you are assigning this campaign to a client, there's a way where you can decide what you want to show and what you want to restrict your client from seeing. So if I go over to client access and I go to campaigns, I can decide what kind of visibility they have to the analytics. Right. So similarly, once you are done with the setup, all you need to do is launch your campaign and schedule your campaign, and this is going to run automatically. And similarly, you can set up an inbound campaign. Again, with inbound, whenever you're getting inbound calls, you will be able to see who's calling you based on how you configure your campaign. You'll see your customer name, all of that inside call logs. And if required, we can also get you that information in your analytics dashboard. Now, this is your admin side. A similar dashboard is available on your client portal, and you can control what information is shown on your client portal. That's it for today. Let me know what you think, and if you have any suggestions or feature requests or questions, feel free to add them in comments. Or if you sign up for our free trial, there's a chat bubble here to chat with us, and there's an option here to book a call with us if you have any complex or sophisticated requirement that has not been addressed in the video yet. Thank you, and meet you on another video again.